Tropical update as of 8:30 a.m. PST, June 5th. The NHC finally has made this Alex, which they should have done a couple days ago. They have found an incredible 89 knot wind at 850 millibars. Um, it's moving east northeastward at 60 by 20 knots. We can show you the satellite picture. Clearly, it's decoupled with the LC right here and the convection here. It should be moving over uh, north of Bermuda in the next couple of days. We can show you the track. Clearly north of Bermuda, then becoming extra tropical not long afterwards. There's the hurricane models. Personally, I think the system's probably closer to 60 knots right now, based on that 89 knot flight level wind. But that's my opinion. Well, that's your truck update.